Hello everybody. Today we are going to start the chapter Animals Everywhere. This chapter will be covered in two parts. So don't worry about the next part. I will post that very soon. Now, moving on to the chapter again. Animals everywhere. What do you mean by this statement, this line? It means that there are many animals roaming around or everywhere, right? So you have seen many animals like raccoons, red pandas, or cats, dogs, some basic animals also. Now, the most something that students have confused, that actually what is their habitats, what is their food, how do they fly, what is their weight, kilograms. That is, I'm going to clear you all. Okay, first there are two types of animals. Two types of animals. Okay. The two types of animals are terrestrial animals terrestrial animal and aquatic animals. Now moving on to those two lines that we all need to know, that is definition. Okay, now terrestrial animals, the animals which live on land. There are many animals which live on land. For example, penguins. Penguins have both, so we will not count them. Let's say dogs, let's say cats, let's say pandas, tiger, lion. These don't live in water now. These live in land. Okay. So what is the keyword of this? Land. Terrestrial means land. Okay. Now, aquatic animals. What do you mean by aqua? Aqua means water. So water animals, right? Again, the keyword is water. Water living animals like frogs. Frogs live in both. Okay, and you can say whales. Whales, fish. Okay, octopus also. So many. Jellyfish also. So there are many of them. Okay. Moving on to their habitats. Like how? You see your habitat, like your nature, your home is very cozy, very warm, moderate climate, right? And comfortable. Most important thing is comfortable. Okay. Now what is animals' habitat? Okay, there are many animals. Okay, so I'm going to cover that in the next part. Okay, but just to tell you in a very short form, in a summary, how that when animals want to find a home, they move one place to another. Okay, they move, they migrate. Okay, migrate means to move from long distances, like wild beasts. Wild beasts move from one place to another. Why? Because they live in Himalayas. Now, when it is very wintry, the season is very cold in the Himalayas, right? So then they are not able to survive if they live too long over there. So what they do, they move out, okay, and then we'll go from a warm, nice place, and then when summers come, they move back to their natural home. For example, like we go to the vacation, we see, like we return home. We don't stay there forever. We return home. So that is what this is all about. Now, how do birds fly? Okay, let us talk about food first. See, penguins, pandas, tigers, many things. They all have food. Okay, they can live without food or water, like we can't. Okay, so penguins have fishes food. Okay, fishes have some artificial food that we made, but if we want we can also do that. They all just take water sometimes only, and like birds eat, nuts, not nuts, seeds of something or some insects, and right, and ladybugs also eat very small insects because she is indeed small, so she eats more small insects. Right, so everybody needs food. Like there are herbivores, there are omnivores, and there are carnivores. What are herbivores? Who only eat plants like cow. I'm giving an example. Omnivores, like who eat both flesh and meat. For example, human beings. And carnivores, who only eat flesh. That is tigers and lions. They only eat flesh of other animals. Now, how do birds fly? Birds fly with the wings. But what is there inside the wings? Feathers. Feathers help them to maintain their flights and can move smoothly. Okay. Move. Oh, sorry. That is move smoothly